Hey guys, just want to show you the hourly signals on UJ. So yeah, here's one here. Comes out right when it crosses that horizontal line, so lots of opportunity to jump in. Not great liquidity here, a little bit choppy. Could probably expect a pullback somewhere around this area, so you might not want to take that one. Going back to the next one, this one's a little bit more ideal. Comes out right when it crosses this line. You're expecting it to fill in this area, so that's a nice winner there. Depends how you want to do your stop losses, but on the 5 minute, I usually put them really tight. I haven't checked out the 1 hour too much at all, pretty much, so I'm not too sure what works good for the stop losses. Yeah, so this one comes out when this mark here gets horizontal line gets broke, so there's another little winner. Another good winner there too. Going back some more. Starting here. So yeah, that's yeah, that could have brought you all the way up to here. It just depends how you use the signals. Like the signal comes out here for this one. Maybe you just want to go one candle back. If you did, there's a 1 to 3.5, 1 to 4 maybe. But yeah, this is really nice liquidity here on the left, so that's what you're looking for. Couple more signals here, depending on where you had your stop loss. Maybe you want to just have it past the last chunk here. So you got lots of options. Going back here, a little bit of liquidity here. Doesn't really want to fill it. This ranging here kind of tells you not to take the trade. Plus there's not a lot of room to run for this, so not a great setup. This signal here, there's nothing up here, so you wouldn't have taken that one. This one here, lots of ranging here. You might not want to take in this one. That long wick is kind of weird too, but maybe you wouldn't have seen that when the signal came out. Not a lot of room to run here, but that probably would have turned out to be a winner depending how you played it. Back here, November 16th, 2023. No liquidity to run into, so you probably wouldn't have taken that one. This one's just a short span to run, so you wouldn't have taken those. Liquidity there, so yeah, you would have taken those. Those are decent. Maybe hold them for till the next day. Maybe not. This one here, got good liquidity there. A little bit of chop. Signal comes out once it passes this horizontal spot here on my pointer. Yeah, solid. Up here too, good signals, good liquidity. This wick here might have stopped you out depending on your stop loss. Maybe you want to have it on kind of more of a solid high up here. But yeah, hold it for till the end of the day or next day, keeps on running down. Next signal here. Comes out once it reaches this horizontal line. A little bit of choppiness. Might not have taken that one, because it comes out and you're right into this range here, so you're probably going to expect some choppiness, but it turned out to be a winner. That was a risky trade though. Kind of a small amount of liquidity to run into here, so adds a lot of risk. Might not want to take in that trade. Not much movement here in these candles, just those tiny body candles, so pretty risky setup. And that's about it for you, Jay. Not much signals for maybe another week. Good liquidity here. Yeah, a couple good signals here. Might not have taken this one. It's right in the morning, you know, when there's not much volume, so might not have taken that one. This one here turned out to be really nice. This one's kind of had a lot of chop here too, so you might not have taken that one. A lot of ranging here, might not have taken that one. There's no real good liquidity anywhere actually, so you definitely would have taken that one. This one's got some choppiness here, right at the end of the liquidity for this move here, so that's pretty risky, but turned out to be a winner, couple winners. I don't want the video to be too long, so we'll end her there, guys. Thanks for watching. Bless.